Hi there everyone, welcome to iPad Essential. In this video, we will talk about two different methods of sharing your iPad screen or mirroring your iPad screen in Macintosh. So let's start with method number one first, which I would say is pretty easy guys. So here you can see my iPad screen and let me also share my computer screen. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to my iPad screen and then let me scroll it down. And here I will see this option which says screen mirroring. Here you should be able to find your Macintosh. If you are not getting it, probably then the reason is you may not connect it to the same network. So make sure your iPad as well as your Macintosh is connected to the same network. And it really doesn't matter whether your Macintosh is connected through Ethernet and your iPad is connected to Wi-Fi. Only thing that matter is they need to connect it to the same router or same network. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select in my iPad screen my computer, and there we go. Now here I can see my display is being mirrored in my computer. So this is one way of mirroring your display in your Macintosh. But the problem here with this method is when we mirror our iPad display, we may not able to do anything else. In that scenario, we can do method number two, which is we can basically connect our iPad to Macintosh. So I'm gonna use my cable that came with it. And if you are connecting your iPad for the first time, it may ask you to give certain permission, which you need to, but in my particular case, it doesn't ask anything. Now here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here on search and then I will look for QuickTime Player. Let's open it. And now let's go here on file and then new movie recording. And now here it shows my already pre-selected device, but this time instead of camera I can go down and then I can select my iPad. It should able to record my screen. So let me actually open it. In this way guys, if you want a Windows style mirroring of your iPad, you will easily able to mirror your iPad using QuickTime Player. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to iPad Essential for more such tips and tricks related to iPad. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.